So ladies, if you've got them husbands that are really loud at night and you can't sleep, you need to get yourself some of these. Hey, I'm back with the Sleep Seal. I'm away at the moment and these have honestly been a lifesaver. You get 30 in a pack, so 30 nights. You literally pull it off, stick it over your mouth, and it stops you from breathing through your mouth. So it's also meant to snatch your jawline. They've sold over 40,000 of these, which just proves that they work. And if you want to grab some, be quick before they run out of stock again.